In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage Shopify inventory tracking. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to turn on tracking, connect the right locations, and keep your stock levels up to date. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. From here, choose the product whose inventory you want to track by clicking on its name to open the product editor. Once you're inside the product editor, scroll down until you see the inventory section, sometimes shown as an inventory card. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, look for the variant section instead. Click on the specific variant you want to manage, and inside the variant editor, you'll see its own inventory card. On that card, check that inventory tracking is enabled. There will be a setting that indicates whether inventory is tracked for this product or variant. Make sure it is turned on so Shopify can automatically adjust your stock when orders come in. Next, look at the locations or stock table on that same inventory card. This is where you tell Shopify which physical locations carry this product. Click the small pencil icon next to the location field. A pop-up will appear showing a list of your locations. Select the location or locations that actually stock this product or variant, then confirm by clicking Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. After that, you'll want to set your actual stock numbers. In the inventory card, you'll see fields for unavailable, committed, available, and on-hand inventory. Enter the correct values based on what you physically have and what is already allocated to existing orders. You'll also see an option to allow selling when out of stock. Turning this on will let customers place back orders even if your available quantity reaches 0. Use this only if you're confident you can fulfill those orders later. When you're done, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page near the search bar so none of your changes are lost. From this point forward, if you only need to manage or edit inventory, there's a faster way. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Inventory under the Products section. This opens a centralized inventory view. At the top, you'll see a location selector. Use this to filter the product list so you only see items stocked in a specific location. Here, you can directly edit the unavailable, committed, available, and on-hand quantities for each product or variant, making ongoing inventory management much quicker and more efficient.